Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply glitter polish with full coverage. So first thing I'll be doing is I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. You can use any base coats you prefer. I always use peel-off base coats because I love keeping the peely off all of my nail arts. Plus, we will be dealing with glitter polishes, and it's difficult to remove glitters using a regular base coat. After that, I'll be applying a sheer pink shade. You can totally skip this part if you want. Now we need cosmetic sponge and a glitter polish. The glitter polish I'm using is an iridescent holographic glitter top coat. Oh, and we will be needing a liquid latex. But if you don't have this, you can always use tape to wrap up the skin of your nails. Why do you need to wrap your skin? Well, let me show you. Okay, so I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails. Now that's dry, I'm applying 1 coat of the glitter polish. After letting that to dry, grab a cosmetic sponge. As you can see, this one is bigger than my nail, so I'm gonna be cutting this off to make it smaller. Why am I cutting it smaller? Because I'll be painting the glitter polish on the sponge. Making it smaller will give you smaller space to paint. Therefore, there won't be tons of glitters that will transfer onto your skin. Now let's paint the sponge with the glitter polish. As you can see, the sponge absorbs the clear nail polish, and more glitters are building up on the sponge. Now let's dab it onto my nail. Look how almost all of the glitters transferred to my nail with the use of sponge. Before proceeding with applying more glitters, let me show you how to use the tape as a liquid latex. First, I'm applying it close to the base of my nail. Then I'm adding another to the side. And 1 more to the other. All you need to do is to stick it closely onto your nail. Now, let's dab some glitter polish. Keep in mind that before dabbing another layer of glitter polish, make sure that the first coat of your glitter nails are dry. If your nails aren't dry, the glitters that you've already dabbed will stick back to the sponge. And if the sponge is super soaked with polish, cut the wet surface and repaint on it again. To achieve that full coverage, I dabbed 3 layers of glitter polish. Now I'm doing the cleanup. After the cleanup and letting it to dry, it's time to apply a thick coat of top coat. And that's it! But what if we tried a glitter polish with different sizes of glitters? Okay, so I've done all of the same steps I've mentioned earlier, and now let's paint the glitter polish on the sponge. And let's dab it onto my nail. So many glitters in just one layer. Now let's compare it with one coat application. As you can see, using a sponge is so much better. If the sponge is soaked, then let's cut it off. After all of the dabbing, let's do the cleanup. For this one, all of the edges are covered with clear polish. So before peeling the liquid latex off, it's best to clear up the sides with a brush dipped with nail polish remover. And let's peel off the liquid latex. After doing the cleanup and letting it to dry completely, it's time for top coat. Then I ended up applying another thick coat to have a smoother surface. Different sizes of glitters on your nails would end up having a textured finish. And that's how you apply glitter polish on your nails with full coverage. But there are some glitter polishes that doesn't need a sponge to do the full coverage. You just have to look for a nail polish that's super packed with glitters. Do you guys have any how-to requests? Just leave them on the comment section. I hope I explained this video clearly. If you have any further questions, just leave them on the comment section. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay safe. Bye!